Okay, so today earlier we have discussed about the nomination of candidate. So nomination of candidate how it is fill up. So nomination of candidate means the become a candidate for a constituencies. किसी भी constituency से कौन candidate खड़ा हो सकता है? Those may be order of particular constituency. Suppose this is the constituency. What is the constituency? Earlier we have discussed. A constituency that is the area which represents the particular candidate. Okay. So from this constituency, any one candidate want to become a leader or maybe want to stand for the election. So he or she must be part of this constituency. उस constituency का voters होना जरूरी है. Another one is the 25 years above. उसके एज क्या होनी चाहिए? 25 या 25 above. So this is the nomination of candidate. Voting age means the age. And later on, you fill up the sub deposit the money or maybe the security deposition करना पड़ता है. Later on, fill up the form. Form fill up होता है nomination of candidates में. Detail of family members वो देना पड़ता है उसको. You know account number also. ऐसे डिटेल्स देनी पड़ती है. What is the एजुकेशन और क्वालिफिकेशंस क्या है वो डिटेल्स में बताना पड़ता है. थ्रू दिस मीन्स द वी कैन प्रोवाइड द चॉइस फॉर द वोटर्स कि दे whom candidate they want to give the votes for their constituency. So they should be know the about any candidate, about their family members, properties, qualifications. So this is the rights means the we can say this is the transparency between the voters and between the leader. And election campaign, how the election campaign start, so you know before the elections, election campaign start, or all the work is done by the election commission or chief election commission also appointed by the president. Once they appointed to these people is not answerable to the president also. So election campaign may be start before the 2 or 3 week of the elections. Later on, ये amount is, means the budget is fixed for the particular candidate. MLA can spend for a MLA elections can spend the 10 lakh rupees, not a more than 10 lakh rupees MLA can spend for their constituency जो भी उसका budget और maybe the during the election जो भी campaign expenses है not a more than 10 lakh. Okay. अगर suppose it is a more than 10 lakh तो he or she may be the code of conduct or model of code conduct उसमें defaulters माना जाएगा or may be rejected by the EC. For MP member of parliament, that amount is the 25 lakh rupees. 25 lakh amount is fixed by the election commission, not I spend more than the 25 lakh rupees. So these are the election campaign. They start the election campaign, or they can't use the suppose government properties, government resources, government transport, or like this, or religious place, worship place. So these are the limitations on that. They can't use the sun. Or if अगर ऐसा करते हुए वो मिलते हैं तो इन केस ऑफ देयर मे बी रिजेक्टेड बाय इलेक्शन. लेट ऑन पुलिंग एंड काउंटिंग ऑफ वोट्स. कैसे वोट्स होते हैं तो यू नो दोज एरिया सपोज दिस इज द कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी ऑफ एनी एरिया मे बी डिवाइडेड इन द डिफरेंट पुलिंग बूथ. पुलिंग बूथ होते हैं. पुलिंग बूथ मींस द वेयर दे कास्ट देयर वोट्स जहां पे वो वोट्स को कास्ट करते हैं. ओके. वेयर दे कास्ट देयर वोट दैट इज नोन एज द पुलिंग बूथ. तो पुलिंग बूथ नंबर 1, 2, 3, 4. Or where is the polling booth? It may be the government school or some private school or maybe the such type of community or community properties or such. Maybe the a polling booth or on the polling booth on the day of election early morning 5 or 6 o'clock it depend on the weather. Means the if winter so they may be full late after 5 or 6 or maybe the summer to 5 o'clock. So first they call the both candidates or maybe their guarantors or later on they just a demo maybe start. It not mentioned in your book but I know very well ki what happens during the election day or how the we cast our votes. Because I know all the things about it. So on day of the election what happens they may be called the guarantors or maybe suppose anyone MLA of particular constituencies election for the state. So it is not possible for the MLAs who can represent at the same time on the whole polling booth. That's why I am saying the guarantor or maybe the such representative or कोई भी any representative may be decided by the MLAs or for any, it is the just example of MLA. So their representative may be guarantor both या टू थ्री मोर देन पॉलिटिकल पार्टी जितने भी उनके गारंटर और जो भी रिप्रेजेंटेटिव डिसाइडेड बाय द एमएलएस वो जाते हैं वहां पे लेफ्ट ऑन जस्ट ए वोटिंग मशीन्स होते हैं टुडे वी आर यूजिंग द इन प्लेस ऑफ बैलेट बॉक्स अर्लियर टाइम वी यूज द बैलेट बॉक्स एक बॉक्स होता था and we cast our votes through the seal or later on we fold the papers or keep inside the ballot box. Later on the ballot box votings were counted by the remaining. Or today we are using the EVM machine. EVM, you know, very simple word, electronic voting machine. So today we are using in place of that EVM is the electronic voting machines. And first during the first early morning, just a demo start inside for the electronic voting machines. So we cast our votes to the particular representatives or two or three votes by the both political parties. Later on, they show the results also. Means the to check the machine is properly working or not. That's why this demo may be conducted by the those people who are appointed by the EC to conduct the election in free and fair manner. So a demo may be 5 vote may be cast or they show the see the results. Okay. Later on when they are satisfied that machine is properly work, both political parties means the political party are satisfied. Later on they seal the machine after their signature. They sign inside the machine. There is the like a small papers maybe connected with wire. They sign it or machine will be sealed or later on 8 o'clock election voting is started on the polling booth. Okay. Or another one through the article number 21 or 22 or article number 15. Anyone may be handicapped or such physical disabilities person. So it is the duty of AC or maybe also they construct the ramp on the particular पुलिंग बूथ पे हर पुलिंग बूथ पे रैंप भी बना होता है कि उनको कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है क्योंकि दे आर आल्सो पार्ट ऑफ आवर सिटीजन ऑफ द आवर कंट्री वो भी हमारे कंट्री के पार्ट so later on the date election maybe start. So till 5 p.m. or maybe whatever time decided by the election, 8 o'clock to 5 p.m. till they cast their votes. Later on, they seal the EVM machine and also decided that it is 200 meters. Suppose anyone is the area where the election may be held, polling booth है, तो 200 meter तक there will be no such campaign or no political party or no such work may be अंडर दैट एरिया जैसे ये पुलिंग बूथ है तो 200 मीटर रेडियस कोई भी पॉलिटिकल पार्टी एनीवन एजेंट नो वन कैन सिट कोई नहीं आ सकता उसके अंदर 200 मीटर एरिया डिसाइडेड बाय द ईसी तो दिस इज द वे और ड्यूरिंग इवनिंग मशीन वर्क सेल करती जाती थी और करती जाती है मे बी मशीन सेल एंड लेटर ऑन दे केप्ट एंड डेट पर्टिकुलर सपोज चित्तौड़ है तो मेजर मेट्रो सिटी स्कूल है major metro or any one school or maybe the a large building or a used building may be decided by AC. They keep all the machines on that place. सभी machines को वहाँ रख दिया जाता है EVM को from the different areas. जैसे चित्तौड़ district में from all the district or different polling booth, all the machines may be kept inside the such center or maybe where the security are appointed by the AC. बहुत ज़्यादा security होती है वहाँ पे. Okay. So later on they decided by the AC means the when they count the votes. So on that day all event may be started, counting started और declaration date जो होती है result की उस दिन उन machines को open करके counting start होती है. They also use the loudspeaker or like this or they protect their area from the both sides. No one can enter in that area. Maybe these are the sensitive matter क्योंकि उस समय बहुत sensitive होता है. Anyone candidate maybe lose the election, anyone maybe win. So that time they protect that area or result declaration होता है. So this is the way how the polling and counting of votes ऐसे होता है. Okay. अब independent election commission. So who is the independent election commission? Independent Election Commission is a person who conduct the election in entire constituency or entire region. Suppose state elections are inside Rajasthan, जैसे MLA election से, तो responsibility given to the AC. जैसे at that time Ashok Jain was the AC for Rajasthan. So Mr. Ashok Jain was the AC election commission, so maybe the sometime chief election commission also. So he is the person who conduct the election in smooth manner or appointed by the president. Okay, जैसे गवर्नर्स है, इलेक्शन कमीशन है, सुप्रीम हाई कोर्ट जजेस है, जस्ट मे बी तो MS सेक्टर है. तो दिस आर द पोस्ट वर अपॉइंटेड बाय द president. So this is the independent election commission, a person who conduct the elections in free and smooth manner. So all the government मतलब from the election result जो election date to till declaration date, result declaration date तक all government officers are work under the election commission. यानी all government resources and the officers may be work under the AC. सबको जैसे राजस्थान का है तो all will be work according the guideline of AC. Maybe whatever guideline given by the AC, it may be followed by the all government officers. EC has the power to transfer or maybe give the any suspend for any government officers or maybe the. So all government officers follow the order of the EC. EC may be transfer any one officers who feel कि such appointment may be affected the result. अगर उनको लगता है कि इसी को कि इस वजह से इस particular person or maybe the any such person और उसके कोई relatives है, जैसे कि there is the one example in my mind कि हरीश मीणा और नमो नारायण मीणा both are the candidate from the Soy Madhupur side. तो earlier और DG और हरीश मीणा both are on the top post पे रहे थे, पहले not today, earlier time IG और DG एट लाइक और पुलिस. तो उनके पदर को इनको कुछ समय के लिए मे बी दे मे बी टेक द रेस्ट और नॉट ऑन द पोस्ट और उनको इस टाइप से भेज दिया जाता है क्योंकि एज ए टॉप पोस्ट मे बी अफेक्टेड द रिजल्ट इफ सपोज एनीवन मे बी द SP DSP और मे बी एट ए टॉप पोस्ट और उन्हीं के रिलेटिव चित्तौड़ में खड़े हो रहे हैं तो इट मे बी व्हाट दे फील. तो इन सच कंडीशन ऑल फॉलो द ऑर्डर गिवन बाय द EC. तो दिस इज द ड्यूटीज. Once the AC may be appointed election commission, तो he is not answerable to president, वो president को भी answerable नहीं है. तो this is the point you discuss related to. Okay. Next one is the popular participation. Up in this popular participation means what? कि what we have seen in our country during the election, all people's participation play the important role. Okay. Or in our area, those people who are illiterate or maybe the below average means in income. Okay. So those people who are below income or maybe illiterate, so their participation is more than the literate or who are living in the अर्बन एरियाज. तो देयर पार्टिसिपेशन उनका जो पार्टिसिपेशन होता है वो ज्यादा होता है इंडिया में कंपेयर देन द अदर्स. व्हाई? बिकॉज व्हाट दे फील कि इफ मे बी थ्रू देयर वोट्स गवर्नमेंट मे बी चेंज, तो देयर गवर्नमेंट पॉलिसी मे बी बेनिफिशियल फॉर देम. दैट्स व्हाई दे प्ले द इंपॉर्टेंट रोल ड्यूरिंग द इलेक्शन. उनको लगता है कि हम गवर्नमेंट को चेंज करेंगे तभी वो गवर्नमेंट ऐसी पॉलिसी और चेंज करेंगे और मे बी द सपोर्ट करेंगे और मे बी डिसाइड करेंगे तो गवर्नमेंट मे बी चेंज देयर पॉलिसीज और मे बी द बेनिफिशियल फॉर अस. तो उनको अपना पार्टिसिपेशन सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले करते हैं वो पार्टिसिपेशन में. तो दिस हैपेंस ड्यूरिंग द पॉपुलर पार्टिसिपेशन वी कैन से. और अनदर वन इज द एग्जिट पोल जो होता है ना, एग्जिट पोल डिपेंड ऑन द पार्टिसिपेशन. हाउ द popular participation during the election, how do they know? So through the media they know the number of vote cast during in this election. This is 65% voting हुई, so it is maybe the total number of voters, means the total number of voters in particular constituency and how many voters may be cast their votes. तो उन्हीं से ये परसेंटेज निकाला जाता है। सपोज इन एनी कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी देयर आर द 10,000 वोटर्स और उनमें से 8,000 वोटिंग हुई है, तो मीन्स द व्हाट इज द परसेंटेज 80% वोटिंग। ओके, तो इंडिया में 65, 59%, समटाइम्स 71% इस टाइप से वोटिंग होती। तो समटाइम एग्जिट पोल हाउ टू डिसाइड कि लास्ट ईयर अगर वोटिंग हुई है 65% और just means the that is the idea only. I'm not sure कि through this we can declare the result. Or when a voting for a next election maybe 67 या 60 और 65 approximately वोटिंग होती है इसी के आफ्टर 5 ईयर 67 और approximately, तो मीन्स द पीपल आर नॉट इंटरेस्टेड टू चेंज द गवर्नमेंट। इसका मीनिंग होता है मतलब एग्जिट पोल व्हाट आइडिया वो क्या लगाते हैं कि 65% पीपल पॉपुलेशन जो वोटर्स थे उन्होंने लास्ट इलेक्शन में वोट किया और दिस ईयर 67 किया, मीन पीपल आर नॉट इंटरेस्टेड टू चेंज द गवर्नमेंट। जब हम सोचेंगे कि चेंज करना है गवर्नमेंट को तो वोटिंग ज्यादा होगी क्योंकि सभी बाहर निकलेंगे वोट करने के लिए, चेंज करने के लिए। और ये वोटिंग अगर 70 और 72% चली जाती है एकदम सडन ये रेशो इंक्रीज होता है, तो एग्जिट पोल के आइडियाज लगाते हैं कि गवर्नमेंट में भी चेंज मींस द पॉलिटिकल पार्टी डिफरेंट पॉलिटिकल पार्टी फ्रॉम द गवर्नमेंट ये एकदम इंक्रीज हुई है तो पीपल में भी आर नॉट इंटरेस्टेड इन द रूलिंग पार्टी, या तो जो रूलिंग पार्टी थी उसमें इंटरेस्टेड नहीं है, दैट्स व्हाई द रेशो इज इंक्रीज। तो ये इस तरह से एग्जिट पोल में आइडिया लगाया जाता है कि which political party from the government. Okay. Just for the exit poll. So it is the popular participation by the people. The outcomes of India's elections. Very good. अब outcomes of India's election means what? कि you know outcomes जो होता है elections का result. So in our country, what outcomes may be decided by the voter, it will be accepted by all political parties. जो आउटकम्स होता है यानी हमारे कंट्री के अंदर ये मैंने ऑब्जर्व किया है कि व्हाट एवर रिजल्ट गिवन बाय द वोटर्स इट एक्सेप्टेड बाय द ऑल पॉलिटिकल पार्टी, सब पॉलिटिकल पार्टी उस रिजल्ट को एक्सेप्ट करती। ओके, सेकंड वन आउट ऑफ 7 means the out of 7 voter one is the member of पॉलिटिकल पार्टी। तो हमारी कंट्री में जो इंटरेस्ट बढ़ा है पीपल और मे बी द वोटर्स का, तो आउट ऑफ 7 वोटर्स अगर कहीं पे है तो उनमें से एक वोटर मेंबर होगा किसका, एनी पॉलिटिकल पार्टी। तो आउट ऑफ 7 तो इंटरेस्ट बढ़ रहा है तो आई एम ए मेंबर ऑफ द पर्टिकुलर पॉलिटिकल पार्टी, तो दे क्रिएट द इंटरेस्ट मींस द इंटरेस्ट क्रिएट कर रहे होंगे फॉर ए पॉलिटिकल। ये अनदर वन if we take the election of 3 regions, last 3 election, अगर हम last 3 election discuss करते हैं, last 3 election suppose सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट के last 3 election, तो most of time what a observation done by that means the outcomes, तो out of 3 2 elections average lose by the ruling party। suppose जैसे राजस्थान में लास्ट ईयर बीजेपी तो नेक्स्ट कांग्रेस, तो ऐसे लास्ट 3 इलेक्शन रिजल्ट। आर यू गेटिंग माय पॉइंट डियर? मैं क्या करना चाह रहा हूं?
यस सर।
यानी लास्ट 3 इलेक्शंस अगर हम काउंट करते हैं, जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल 2011 इलेक्शन, 2015 इलेक्शन, 2020 फॉर एग्जांपल लास्ट 3 जस्ट एग्जांपल, तो लास्ट तो सपोज वन टाइम बीजेपी फॉर्म द गवर्नमेंट, next time congress from the government again, yani last 3 election 2 times this happens, those political party who are ruling party they lose their election, yani वो अपने election में हार जाते हैं, यानी continue not a more than 1 or 2 times continue government form नहीं होती, but average outcome से। okay, और in India, those who are the sitting MLAs or MPs, sitting मतलब जो in ruling party, most of they lose their elections during the or during the election time। तो this happens in India, जो ruling के जो MLAs और MPs होते हैं ruling party के, तो most of 50 to 60% और average they lose their इलेक्शन, बट इन यूएसए और अमेरिका को यूएसए कंपेयर विद इंडिया, तो वहां पे दोज हु आर सिटिंग एमएलए और एमपीज, वहां वो इलेक्शन ज्यादा जीतते कंपेयर देन अस। ओके, तो दिस इज द आउटकम्स। अब क्यों ऐसा होता है वी डोंट नो अबाउट इट, दैट इज द आउटकम्स है, दीज आर द आउटकम। अब इट डिपेंड ऑन द गवर्नमेंट पॉलिसी, इट डिपेंड ऑन द कि एक्सपेक्टेशन ऑफ द वोटर्स, वोटर का एक्सपेक्टेशन बढ़ता जाएगा। और मेनी टाइम दिस हैपेंस कि व्हाट अ वोटर फील कि देयर इज द लेस scope for them. Okay, means the all political parties are work in same manner. There is no such variance or no such difference between the different political. All the most of political parties policies are same. Speak for itself with the results. Okay, so speak for itself. We'll discuss. So in this popular participation we have done, and the ruling party, अच्छा, same example है, whatever example given by me, he speak for itself is the most of leaders lose their elections, those who are part of the ruling party, or they also accept the result, there is no such, or in America if we compare with the America, तो most of sitting MLAs on the election, most of जो ज्यादातर जैसे suppose last 100 एमएलए थे, सिटिंग एमएलए, उनमें से मैक्सिमम ऑन द इलेक्शन इन यूएसए, और हमारे आउट ऑफ 100 में मोस्ट ऑफ जो सिटिंग एमएलए एमपीस होते हैं वो इलेक्शन आ जाते हैं। सब एमएलए आल्सो यूज देयर पावर और लाइक मसल पावर, मनी पावर, सम एज द क्रिमिनल रिकॉर्ड्स इन इंडिया। अब लास्ट टॉपिक और इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक है कि व्हाट आर द चैलेंजेस फॉर द फ्री एंड फेयर इलेक्शंस। तो फर्स्ट चैलेंज हो गया कि दो few political party which are the large political party like X and Y, so they have lot of power or maybe the money, so they sometimes they misuse the money. Okay, इनके पास इतना पैसा होता है कि जो who are the smaller party, जो छोटी political parties है, तो they can't spend the money as a compare the large political party, so sometimes they face lot of problem. Okay, first challenge. Second challenge is those people who are the prosperous or rich, so many times tickets are distributed to their relatives. Those who may be affected the decision of political party. कभी कभी जो उनके रिच पर्सन्स होते हैं, प्रोस्पेरस होते हैं, तो टिकट डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन उनके रिलेटिव्स को उनको होता है। थर्ड इज द those people who has the criminal recorded, so sometimes they also affected the election result, उनके election result affected होता है, those have the criminal record. But हमारे यहाँ what we have observed, those people who has the money or maybe the criminal recorded, most of them lose their election, they lose their elections during that. So these are the challenges for the election commissions. So first challenges, candidate and parties lot of money and be sure the victory, and but they do enjoy a big unfair advantage over small parties and independent. So those who have the money or maybe the muscles power, they maybe misuse the their powers, or sometimes they maybe divert the voters. Second challenge is in some parts of the country, candidate with the criminal connections, criminal record होते थे, but they also enjoy the big and unfair advantage over small parties. So this happens, they also affected the smaller parties, those people who have the criminal recorded. Third challenge is in some political parties, those who have the criminal connection or maybe the relatives of the prosperous peoples who play the important role in the political party, तो टिकट also distribute among their relatives, उन्हीं relatives या उन्हीं को टिकट दिया जाता है। Some family tend the dominate political party, ticket distribution of relative, जैसे anyone may be the member of the any political party, जैसे any political party leaders, or maybe the ticket distributed to their relative, their son, or like sometimes this happens. Very open elections, little choice to the ordinary citizen, बहुत कम choices होती है क्योंकि सब political party सबको लगता है एक जैसी है, all are corrupted. तो very little choice given to the voters. तो this is also big challenges क्योंकि all the political party policies are same. Smaller parties are independent candidates suffer a huge disadvantage compared to the bigger party. It's true. कि those smaller party like SPA, Bahujan Samajwadi Party, these are the large party in UP, but these are the smaller party in Rajasthan. Okay, तो these are the smaller party जो new party form हुई है, जैसे आप पार्टी कैंडिडेट है राजस्थान, एसपी समाजवादी पार्टी है, और मे बी समटाइम बहुजन कैंडिडेट है, तो दिस आर द 5 to 6 कैंडिडेट जो इनके होते हैं, और न्यू पॉलिटिकल पार्टी. तो सच पीपल मे बी फेस द चैलेंजेस इन फ्रंट ऑफ द लार्ज पार्टीज. अब जैसे सपोज बीजेपी कांग्रेस इनके कैंडिडेट जो सामने होंगे, तो दे लॉट ऑफ मींस द पावर money, or maybe they face lot of challenges during the campaign, during the different policies, or BJP or maybe such political party maybe declare the whatever their manifesto or maybe the agenda ki if we won the election so we do the such promise, but such smaller party can't disclose their policies because they are unable to form, they are just supportive parties. So this happens many times. So this chapter we have discussed today, dear student, or all the point we have discussed, or you may be asked if you have any doubt, or today I will send the notes and NCRT solutions during the evening.